Welcome, souls aligned with hidden truths and rising fortunes. If this reading found you, February 2026. Energy pulled you in. Aquarius season rules. Innovation, detachment, electric surprises. The solar eclipse mid-month resets everything. Old patterns shatter, secrets burst open, new paths flash forward. Eclipse energy exposes what's buried. Hidden obsessions, suppressed desires, unspoken pulls. For finances, it screams breakthroughs, unexpected cash, online surges, abundance revealing itself. No coincidences. If money feels close yet elusive, or old feelings linger, the cards say February uncovers it all. Breathe deep. Center now. Question. What hidden obsession surfaces in February? How does it tie to financial breakthrough? What signs prove the shift? Deck shuffled, intent on February revelations. Past hidden energy, current reveal, trigger, incoming breakthrough, outcome. 5 cards. February's hidden obsession past, current revelation, trigger for exposure, incoming financial move, outcome and advice. First card. Hidden obsession past, the moon reversed, illusions clearing, past obsession hid in shadows. Confusion, fears, subconscious pulls. Money doubts or emotional attachments clouded judgment. Reversed moon means truths emerging, no more deception. February eclipse forces light on what lurked, secret longings for wealth, or fixations on past losses. The fog lifts, obsession becomes clarity. Second card, current revelation, the devil. Chains tight but visible now. Obsession exposed, addictive patterns around money, chasing quick wins, fear of lack, or emotional ties blocking flow. Devil shows bondage to old habits, but eclipse energy breaks them. Revelation hits hard. This holds me back. Current vibe. Obsession with control or scarcity surfaces demanding release. Aquarius, detachment, helps cut ties. Third card, trigger for exposure, judgment, awakening call, major arcana rebirth. Eclipse acts as trumpet, sudden clarity, karmic wake-up. Trigger, inner voice or external sign screams, change now. February's reset forces reckoning, hidden obsession, money fears, X-vibes, self-sabotage, judged and transformed. Judgment revives purpose. Obsession turns to empowered action. Fourth card, incoming financial move, Ace of Pentacles, golden opportunity lands, new seed of wealth, tangible start, fresh stream, unexpected offer. In February, expect breakthrough, payout, viral content cash, new hustle paying off. Ace from Clouds offers it freely. Claim without doubt. Eclipse amps surprise factor. Sudden, innovative, online, AI, network. Incoming, real money momentum. Fifth card, outcome and advice, the star. Hope renewed, wish fulfillment. Major arcana healing. Outcome, post-reveal, abundance flows freely. Obsession transforms to aligned manifestation. Financial freedom, calm confidence. Advice, stay open, trust timing. Eclipse resets doubt. Star guides with intuition. Shine your vision. Affirm daily. Act detached. February ends with renewed faith in wealth. Tying together, past illusions, moon rev, lead to exposed chains, devil. Awakening trigger, judgment, brings new seed, Ace of Pentacles. Path shines with hope, the star. February 2026. Eclipse energy reveals hidden obsession, clears blocks, delivers financial breakthrough. What hidden obsession looks like in February? Private money, worries, replaying. Stalking success stories online. Emotional highs/lows tied to cash. Dreams of wealth or loss intense. Gut pulls to old patterns. Shocking signs break through, incoming. Random payments or offers appear. Old blocks dissolve overnight. Ideas flow fast and clear. Repeating numbers, 8, 8-8 abundance, 1-1-1-1 alignment. Sudden collabs or views spike. Feeling lighter, excited. Universe confirms with synchronicities. Dreams turn positive, luxurious. Lack thoughts fade. New tools/strategies drop perfectly. Extended advice to ride February. Focus one high-impact action daily. Content drop, outreach. Release obsession. Visualize cutting chains. Affirm. Hidden truths, free me. Abundance flows now. Track small wins, momentum builds. Stay cold, hungry, no emotional swings. Leverage eclipse. Innovate online. Diversify streams fast. Network detached. Aquarius style. Celebrate progress quietly. Affirmation. I release hidden obsessions. Truth reveals my path. Financial breakthrough flows to me easily. February aligns me with wealth and freedom. So it is. If this resonated, like, subscribe, notifications on. Comment February breakthrough to claim. Drop sign or focus below. Next yours. More money, love reveals, career shifts. Thanks for tuning in. Stay aligned. Eclipse delivers.